is a variety of interesting stuff going on right here at MOOG. Michael, tell me a little bit about MOOG and what you do.
So MOOG is primarily about hydraulic and electrical control, whether it's systems or components for systems to be built on. And we work in a variety of applications, a variety of industries as well. So we have anything from hydraulic valves and pumps all the way to drives, motors, control systems, PLC type controllers and so on. And you can see there's actually quite a few applications here as well. So something like the Wimbledon roof, for example, it has our actuators on there, MOOG actuators that control the roof itself.
And I've seen those in action, very smooth.
So every time there's a bit of a drizzle, that's where they're used. And then anything from wind turbines, flight simulation, plastics industry, oil and gas, all of those things. And Formula One is quite a primary industry for us as well. So we do miniature hydraulic control elements, if you like, so actuators and valves that go on quite a few elements of the Formula One car. And I think that's where the link came in with the whole display on the show. With
the car we have here, which I'm very excited to climb into shortly indeed. So how do you answer the challenges that a lot of the industries have in engineering? Do you find a problem and try to work the solution around, or do you find another way to go about it?
I mean, there's quite a few common concerns, if you like, in different industries, quite a few commonly faced problems that we try and solve, and we have all of the standard components to do that. So a standard control system can be, handled with a MOOG system as well. However, we find ourselves mostly called upon when there's something really challenging. So something that doesn't really have a solution anywhere else in the market, and we will basically sit down with the customer and work out a solution that's specific to them. And 9 times out of 10, it's high precision, high performance, high accuracy. That's what we're kind of called upon. And the Wimbledon roof, for example, is a good that kind of system, with high precision and high performance and so on. High reliability as well, obviously.
That's it. It is no small job doing the roof of that place. Fantastic. Why is it so important to be exhibiting here then?
Well, I mean, I think this is the biggest industry event for us, essentially. It's fluid control systems and electrical control systems. So the drive show and the fluid show is actually something that we're very interested in. And, it's the main event in the UK, so, I mean, as part of this industry, we have to basically be here, as are most of our competitors as well, obviously.
And what are you hoping to get out of it? Who are you hoping to meet? What sort of people are you wanting to connect with?
I guess it's more about having a presence here. It's for us to see, what everybody else is working on, and for them to see what we're working on. Identify maybe potential collaborations, whether it's with other manufacturers or with customers, obviously. So ideally, if we find someone that can use our products to solve, a challenging system, like we mentioned before, then that's ideally who we'd like to meet. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, there's certainly lots of opportunities, it seems, to be found talking with you at MOOG today. I'm going to have a closer look at the car and find out a little bit about the competition you have going on. Michael, thank you very much. And I think Peter is going to give me a little talk through here. Now, I've never had a driving lesson. I'm going to very gracefully climb into the car here now. But there's a fantastic competition. Oh, she's done it. She hasn't tripped over. Fantastic. Thank you, Peter. So this is a little bit new for me. I might give you the mic whilst I'm driving around in this thing. So what's the competition that you've got running?
Yeah, well, it's a Formula One simulator, so it's an actual F1 size car. It just gives people a chance to sit in a car like the real drivers do, use the controls, and just try and basically drive the car around the track as fast as you can. So,
exciting. So, talk me through it.
You're going to give it a go?
I am.
Okay, well, it's automatic gear, so you've just got to steer with the wheel. You've got 2 pedals, just like the real car. Brake on your left, and accelerator on the right. Okay, are we ready to go? Let's go. Okay, it's hard to keep on the track. You just got to not try and drive too fast straight away, but just that's it. Basically, you just go slow into the corner and then accelerate out the corner, and obviously down any straights. Full power, but it replicates the speeds the real cars do. Okay, accelerate now. So you do now 100 mile an hour, 110, 120, 140. It really accelerates quickly, up to about a maximum of about 190, 195 miles an hour.
This is so much fun.
So it's the same speed as the real cars do. So if you do a good lap on this, you'll be doing the same time as the real drivers do, as long as you stay on the track. but it's quite hard to control. Don't.
You're telling me?
Yeah, try not to go on the green bits. It's not the best way to go. But it takes a bit of practice. It's not easy to do. So, okay. So you just got to judge your speed, your entry into the corners, what line to take. So there's quite a bit to get right to do a really good lap. But when you're on the track, you're doing all right.
I don't think I was made for driving. I don't think I'm ready for my first driving lesson yet. But, it's going well. It's great fun. Well, I definitely recommend you to come down and give this a try. It's a lot of fun. It feels like a very authentic experience. And, it's a lot of fun. There's prizes to be won as well. Do come and have a go at F200. Thank you very much.
Thank you.